This song goes out to all the men and women of the Volunteer Fire Company Number 1 of Chesapeake City for your dedication to the community. We salute you and the memory of all those that have gone before you. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Brothers, sisters, the plans they made put it into you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. Gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. Seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Been walking my mind to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. Well, there's hours of time on the telephone line to talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time again. Thought I'd see you one more time again. There's just a few things coming my way this time around. Thought I'd see you, thought I'd see you again.
This slideshow is dedicated to all of the members of the Volunteer Fire Company Number 1 of Chesapeake City, Incorporated, who are now watching down upon us. May they rest in peace. Thank you for watching. This has been a Photo 2 production.